In the world of flora and fungi, there are some truly unbelievable predators. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of carnivorous mushrooms and plants. These unique organisms have adapted to survive in nutrient-poor environments by preying on small animals. This predation, unusual in the plant world, provides the much-needed nitrogen to these plants and fungi. From tropical pitcher plants that attract tree shrews for their nitrogen-rich feces to oyster mushrooms that ensnare and digest nematodes, the strategies these species employ are as varied as they are unexpected. Get ready to uncover some of the most intriguing examples of nature's unexpected hunters. Starting off our list, we have the tropical pitcher plant. This fascinating species has evolved to become one of the most intriguing examples of nature's adaptability. The plant's large, pitcher-shaped leaves serve as deadly traps for insects, luring them into a pool of digestive enzymes. But did you know that it also uses tree shrews for nitrogen-rich feces? A clever strategy in nutrient-poor habitats. Next up is the shaggy mane mushroom. This mushroom is not just a feast for the eyes, but it's also a nematode's worst nightmare. It has a unique mechanism of preying on these small worms, especially those that attack plants. It's a great example of nature's way of maintaining balance. Moving forward, we have the iconic Venus flytrap. This plant, with its jaw-like leaves, is probably what most people picture when they think of carnivorous plants. It uses a fascinating trap mechanism, snapping shut when an unsuspecting insect lands on its surface. It's a perfect blend of beauty and danger. Our fourth wonder of nature is the oyster mushroom. This common edible mushroom has a secret weapon against nematodes. It lures these tiny creatures with a chemical attractant, then suddenly paralyzes and digests them. Who knew that this favorite culinary ingredient had such a predatory side? Last on this part of our list is the sundew plant. This plant's sticky, dew-covered tendrils are not just for show. They serve as a sticky trap for insects, which are then slowly digested. It's a slow but sure process that ensures the sundew plant gets the nutrients it needs. As you can see, nature's creativity knows no bounds, but we're just halfway through our list. Continuing our journey into the world of carnivorous flora and fungi, we have the cobra lily. This serpentine plant is as captivating as it is deadly. Named for its resemblance to a rearing cobra, this lily uses its deceptive colors and sweet scent to attract unsuspecting insects. But once inside, they find themselves trapped in a slippery, downward spiral, leading to a pool of digestive enzymes at the base of the plant. Next, we encounter the butterwort plant. Don't let the charming name fool you. This plant has a sticky situation for insects. Its leaves are covered with a sweet, sticky substance that not only attracts but also traps insects. Once an insect is caught, the plant slowly folds over its prey, secreting enzymes that dissolve and digest the insect. Venturing into the realm of fungi, we meet the Arthrobatry's Oligospora fungus. This fungus is a nematode's worst nightmare. It lays traps in the form of adhesive nets that ensnare the roundworms. Once trapped, the fungus penetrates the nematode's body, consuming it from the inside out. Similarly, the Dreschlerella anconia fungus is another nematode hunter. However, instead of adhesive nets, this fungus uses a different strategy. It creates constricting rings that capture and digest the nematodes, providing the fungus with a rich source of nutrients. Finally, we have the bladderwort plant. This underwater carnivore is a marvel of nature's ingenuity. It has tiny bladder-like traps that create a vacuum to suck in small aquatic creatures. When a creature touches the trigger hairs on the bladder, the trapdoor swings open and the creature is sucked inside where it's digested. These incredible organisms are just a glimpse into the diverse and often surprising world of carnivorous mushrooms and plants. There you have it, 10 carnivorous mushrooms and plants that prove nature is full of surprising adaptations. We've journeyed through a world where fungi and flora aren't just passive elements of the ecosystem, but active predators, using cunning strategies to lure, trap, and digest their prey. From the nitrogen-loving tropical pitcher plants to the shaggy mane mushroom, a nematode's nightmare, each example illustrates just how resourceful and tenacious life can be in the face of nutrient scarcity. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of carnivorous flora and fungi, don't forget to subscribe to the Unbelievable Top 10 channel for more fascinating insights into our incredible world.